In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix disconnected same account launched game from different device. Reconnect if you prefer to use this device. Error code 273. So if you are getting this error again and again, you have reconnected many times but you again getting this error, then follow this step. So first open settings, scroll down and go to apps. Now search for Roblox, tap on force stop, click OK. Now go to storage, click on clear cache. If you remember your login credential, then click on clear data, otherwise do not click on clear data. Now go back, go to permissions and enable all the necessary permissions. Then simply restart your device, click on restart, and after restarting try to open your Roblox app. Your problem will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.